Why develop iPhone apps? Because you can. Because it's fun. Developing iPhone apps can be the most fun you've had in years, with very little investment of time and money compared with developing for platforms like Windows. Let me tell you why. First, iPhone apps are usually bite-sized, which means that they're small enough to get your head around. A single developer, or perhaps with a partner and perhaps a graphics person, can do an app. You don't need a 20-person project with endless procedures and processes and meetings to create something valuable. The apps are also crisp and clean. They focus on what the user wants to do at a particular time or place. They're simple but not simplistic. This makes application design and subsequent implementation much easier and faster. The iOS Software Development Kit, or SDK, makes development as easy as possible. This kit makes it possible not only to develop iPhone applications and iPad applications, but also to combine them into one application. The iPhone has several other advantages that are important to you as a developer. One is the App Store. No, not the physical Apple Store, but the online App Store. Apple will list your app in the App Store in the category you specify if the company approves it. Apple will also take care of credit card processing, hosting, downloading, and notifying users of updates, which are all the things that many developers hate to do anyway. The App Store tracks all the purchases of all of your products in all the different markets. It also offers management features so that you can name your own price for your creations and change its description whenever you need. Apple gets 30% of the sales price, but you get 70%, and to my mind, there's not a better deal in the software business. Apple provides a robust but inexpensive developer program. To place your app in the store and management, you pay only $99 per year to join the program. You can then develop apps for the iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad. There are no hidden charges. As you will see, all you do is go to the Apple iOS Developer Program page and click the Enroll Now button. Pay your $99, and you're off and running. Another reason to do iPhone apps is not necessarily to make games or entertainment titles, and that's because the iPhone is really also a business tool. The iPhone has become an acceptable business tool in part because it has tight security as well as support for Microsoft Exchange and Office. This happy state of affairs expands the possible audience for your app. It means that enterprises can also create apps that can work with back-end processes and give their employees the ability to work from wherever they are. These are just some of the many reasons why people develop iPhone applications.